specimen has been extracted with qubit size of 5, and the final one, qubit size of 7. And if you increase qubit size, you get a much smoother surface. So we went through CT segmentation and generation, surface generation. We also ran through bone segmentation from MRI and surface generation. That really concludes the demonstration portion of the webinar today. So let me open it up for some questions from you today. So please feel free to submit any questions that you may have about surface extraction, bone segmentation, anything that we've discussed today, or anything that we've kind of mentioned but not really introduced. So I have a question here, and it is, what surface file formats do we support? Okay, well, I actually have a slide that provides this very question, and so if we move forward to that slide, here the surface files format is support for polygonal surfaces. So as you see, the more common ones are in the IGS, SCL, Inventor, Poly. And if we go forward from there, we'll see the contour surfaces. These are the formats that we support for the contour surfaces. Just refer to the formats supported by your CAD, your FEA, FEM software prior to saving out of Analyze. But as a rule of thumb, for polygonal surfaces, I'd suggest saving out in the .scl file format. It's widely supported, and it's supported by most third-party software. For contour, you probably want to stick with IGS or something similar to that. IGS is good because it still seems to be a de facto standard. So let's see if we have any additional questions. Okay, so yeah, we have quite a few questions actually. So I'll try and cover a few of these now. So does the module have any surface remeshing tools? Well, that's a really good question, but unfortunately the answer is no. We don't have any remeshing tools. We have, as we just demonstrated, the parameters in the adaptive form algorithm provide some utility to optimize your surface, as we demonstrated by setting the cube edge size. You can take a look at those advanced options as well, just to see try to generate the best surface you can generate and export. In terms of remeshing, or users typically have third-party utilities for remeshing. Now that said, we are looking into this, and hopefully we should see this capability added to Analyze in the future. So I guess what's the space for remeshing tools? Okay, the next question. If I already have a surface file, maybe in the VLNL file format, can I convert it to a different surface format, such as SCL? Yes, you can actually do this with the surface extractor module. We have a convert surface option. So you would select your data set, your surface file, get the file, convert surface to surface, and then select the surface you want, your target surface, such as SCL, and hit convert, and it will do that conversion for you. Okay. Here is another question here. Can I convert a surface to a volume? So this process is known as localization, and yes, you can do that within this module. It's facilitated via the convert surface to volume option, which is just necessarily convert surface to surface option. Now, the quote-unquote volume that's generated is a binary representation of that surface that you've imported. So it'll only be one voxel thick and it won't be a solid surface, a solid volume. So say, for example, you've imported a brain, you want that brain to be filled, you need to use morphological operations in one of the other modules that we have, morphology, volume render, region of interest, to fill that object. Now, if you have a corresponding CT or MRI dataset, you could potentially multiply the binary dataset, the binary surface that you voxelized in Analyze, with that CT or MRI to get the grayscale values for the surface, or the volume. Of course, the surface